Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Dr. Siddhi Fulsundar, and in today's video we are gonna cover about MBBS in Russia. As for last few videos I got so many comments asking about is MBBS in Russia really worth it, and which university to choose, how are the hostel, how is the education over there, and lots of questions. So do keep watching this video till end, and I'm gonna cover all the points regarding MBBS in Russia. And also there is one offer like which you guys would like to have at the end, and so keep watching. In my time when I was searching for universities abroad in Russia, in China or wherever, it was hard for me to find one. So but then I opted for Privolsky Research Medical University, which is in Nizhny Novgorod in Russia. And now that I have cleared my FMG in my very first attempt, so I assure that this university has definitely helped me in my education. Let's come to the point and all the questions you guys have asked me. I have made a list about it, and now we'll discuss it one by one. So the first question is why Russia, as there are different other countries to go for. So personally my first choice has always been Russia, as it's a big country and I was always attracted towards the climate thing and everything. And also the other thing is that the relationship between the inter-country relationship, like India and Russia has a good bond, and Russian people are very fond of Indian people. So, and as a result of it, the 6 years I spent there were very smooth. Second question is which university to choose. Definitely I will suggest my university, that the university where I studied is Privolsky Research Medical University. And because most important thing is that it is WHO and NMC registered university. Question is like how much is the duration of the course and which language they teach, or is it in Russian or is it in English. So yeah, the duration of the course is 6 years, which does not include your internship. So 6 years, complete 6 years you have to study in the university, then you have to come back to your own country, apply for FMG and give the FMG, and after completing your FMG you will start your internship, that is for 1 year. So the program which you have there is for 6 years. Now also about the language, for my university it is fully English course, so you don't have to worry at all. Also they teach you Russian language for 3 years, so that it would be easier for you to survive there, talk to other people and make new friends and everything. But the education thing is completely fully in English. Now the most important question that I always get, and as a girl I always understand that our parents are worried about our safety and everything, but yeah, this country is definitely safe for girls. As for me, I'm telling about myself because I have been there for 6 years and I never experienced such things, because everybody has been, thank God, everybody has been so kind and helpful towards me. And everywhere there are CCTV cameras and police officers, and in your hostel, university campus, everywhere you have security guards, for whom we call as akranas. So they are everywhere, so you don't have to worry about it. And also the security guards are women over there, so that's a plus point, that you don't have to worry at all. But yeah, obviously you should know your limits and you should be careful. Okay, so next point is about the hostel thing. So many people ask me about the university hostels and apartments and everything. Okay, you have two options. There are university hostels which are clean, good and friendly, so you don't have to worry about anything over there. And also you can rent apartment, but I will suggest just go with the university hostel things. And also you have gym, sports hall and all the small grocery stores nearby, so your life will be comfortable over there. Question is about, does this university fulfill the NMC guidelines and everything? Yeah, I have studied there and now I just cleared my FMG and I'm waiting for internship to start. So yes, this university definitely fulfills the NMC criteria, and you don't have any problem with that. Ninth and the most important question, everybody is obviously worried about this thing, is the fee structure. So the overall cost for 6 years is around 30 to 35 lakhs, and I guess it's better than the universities, private universities we get in India. So the next question is about the eligibility criteria. So yeah, definitely you should be NEET qualified and your PCB score should be more than 50% in 12th. And once you go there, you have entrance exam which consists of physics, chemistry and biology questions, and you should pass it. Then the 11th question is, does this university have welcome parties and cultural events like Holi, Diwali, etc., etc.? As you all know, it's there in my YouTube like page everywhere, that we do have Diwali festivals, Indian nights, and we celebrate each and every festival, even Christmas. Like Christmas in Russia is a big festival, as it's there for 7 days complete, and you have holidays that time. It's amazing. Everything over there is just amazing. So definitely there are lots and lots of events in which you can take part, and you can dance, sing and showcase your talent. Now let's come to the part how, which agency to choose. So yeah, answer to this question is select your university. It is the best educational organization for last 14 plus year and has successfully sent different students abroad to pursue their dream. So the inquiry link is in my description box, and you can go there and click on the link and fill the form, and you'll get all the details about the university and about the agency. This is the bonus offer I was talking about. As you watch this video till the end, so you get to avail this offer, that is 30,000 instant discount on your flight ticket for first 20 students to register on the link in the description box. So guys, go and register on that link and clear your doubts and go pursue your dreams. Here comes the end of this video, and do let me know in the comment box if you have any kind of queries regarding MBBS in Russia, and also what kind of videos you would like to watch more on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe the channel, like, share, comment. Till then, goodbye, see you all soon.